This reading is for Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. But pati Venus, no? Anyway, this is your energy update, May 1 to 15, 2026. Let's see. What is the energy? So, this is a general reading. Pwede kayong makarelate. Pwedeng hindi. Just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. So, mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto niyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mysticqueenph.com, or you can book directly sa aking calendar, link on the description or comment section. Okay, Gemini. Let's see. Leadership. Oh. Maaring meron kayong leadership role. Ngayong first half ng May, may opportunity mag-open sa'yo to become the leader, the boss, the one who is in control. You are powerful. This can be leadership sa buhay mo na hindi mo nahayaan na ikaw ay makontrol ng ibang tao dahil ikaw mismo ang may hawak sa mga desisyon mo. Ito ay paninindigan sa iyong sarili. Magkakaroon ka na ng paninindigan sa iyong sarili. Oh, healing. This first half ng May, merong healing for you. This can be your situation in the past. You've been through a lot. You've been through a lot of challenges. Kaya nga ngayon, ikaw na ang nagli-lead ng life mo. Hindi mo na hinahayaan na ikaw idiktahan ng ibang tao. Kasi maaring ngayon, you realize your worth, you realize your power, and that's your way of healing. You're taking back your power, Gemini. Okay, let's see what is the overall energy for Gemini? Okay, dalawa yung lumabas. Eight of Wands, Ace of Swords. Oh, okay. A lot of communication, messages going to and from. So, pwedeng marami kang kakausapin ngayong first half ng May. You may be in sales, you may be in marketing, or in teaching. You may be learning something new na. The Ace of Swords, new ideas. So, I think you are taking action doon sa mga ideas mo. Hindi mo na lang ito iniisip, ginagawa mo na siya. Or gagawin mo na siya ngayong first half ng May. I also see progress, no? Kung meron ka mga nasimulan, trabaho, business, career, even relationship, you will see progress ngayong first half ng May. What is the challenge for Gemini? The Hermit. Your challenge is about knowing what's best for you. Okay, the Hermit is about reassessing the situation. Maari kasing may mga times na, nagmamadali. Okay? May mga times na parang gusto mo agad makita yung resulta. But the challenge here is how to sit through, kumbaga, with your situation. Na pag nilay-nilayan, ano ba yung makakabuti sa'yo, ano yung hindi. At, kumbaga kaya nga, meron ditong leadership, you are stepping into your own power. Iiwas ka sa gulo sa paligid mo, sa chaos sa paligid mo, sa noise sa paligid mo, because you will focus on your peace, kapayapaan ng isip. Kasi 'di ba, pag marami nagdidikta sa'yo, parang ang gulo ng isip mo kasi hindi mo alam kung anong unahin mo o sinong paniniwalaan mo. But your challenge here is how to connect to who you really are, how to connect to the deeper part of yourself. Kasi self-reflection to the Hermit. Okay? Now, let's see the opportunity. Ano yung opportunity ng mga Gemini? What's the opportunity? The Ten of Swords. You have the opportunity to let go of anything that is bothering you. Yung mga bagay na gumugulo sa isip mo. You're letting go of that. It's the end. It's the end of the overthinking, of a lot of sleepless nights. You have the opportunity now to start a new beginning, yeah? With the Ace of Swords. That's your energy. So, ito yung opportunity mo to finally cleanse, remove anything that is no longer serving your highest good. Now, what is the blessing for Gemini? The Nine of Pentacles. Ang ganda ng blessing. If you want financial stability, money is coming to you abundantly. Gemini, that is your blessing. Itong mga actions that you've been doing, itong mga ideas na ginagawa mo, this is going to bring you great results in terms of money, finances, sa career. Okay? Wonderful. So this is also financial stability, financial independence. So kung gusto mo na, to live on your own, like moving out from your parents or moving out sa isang relationship that is no longer serving you, meron kang kakayanan to be on your own, to live on your own. Okay, what is the energy, money, career, finances for Gemini? The Five of Wands. So you are more competitive. Five of Wands is like competition in a way na mas kumbaga mas makikita mo yung galing mo kasi you are pushing yourself out of your comfort zone. Okay? So maaring sa finances mo, trabaho or business, you're trying new things. You may be breaking free. Okay, love life. Tingnan natin, what's the love life for Gemini? The Hanged Man. Some of you, pagdating sa relationship, meron kayong iiwasan. Alam nyo, hindi na nakakabuti sa inyo. This may be reassessing rin the situation ng relationship nyo, kung talaga bang itong tao na to ay aligned sa mga goals and dreams mo. So, pwedeng, some of you, maybe, can be cutting off a relationship. It depende yan sa pagninilay-nilay na gagawin mo eh. But for now, mas iniisip mo ngayon yung sarili mo. Risk. You are taking a risk. Sabi rito, take a chance. Every risk is a success when you're committed to learning and growth. O, diba? You are learning. You are growing. The more that you are learning, the more that you are growing. Okay? So that is your reading, Gemini. Thank you so much. See you again.